Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how to install the Facebook app on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to install the Facebook app on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm going to do. So for the first step, I want you to open your Google Chrome. And once you're on your Google Chrome, next, I want you to go to the Facebook website. So just search for facebook.com on your search bar. And now that you're on Facebook, next I want you to take a look at the top right corner of your screen, and then you will see this download icon right here just beside the bookmark. So this icon is used to download this website of Facebook as an app. So just go and click it. And then you can now click install. And then that's it, guys. It's done. Congratulations. You have now installed the Facebook app on your PC or laptop, so you can now use and access it more easily in the future. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes for our tutorial video for today. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.